they taste good. They really do. This French hamburger buns, that I have. Now I'm not going to use any eggs with this bread pudding. And people like my bread pudding. I don't put any eggs in it, but it's very simple. Now, I'm going to add about a half a cup all around the top, just enough to cover it well. And then I'm gonna let that set. You're gonna put this in the refrigerator and let it set for a little while, about 15 minutes. Now I took one small apple, pared it, and we're gonna cut it in slices and then small chunks. Just one small apple, any apple of your choice. It can be Gala, it can be Red Delicious, doesn't matter. Chunks. And I don't care if it browns, because it's beginning to brown a little bit. Doesn't matter, because I'm going to take this over to the stove and I'm going to cook it. And I'm going to turn it up just a little bit above low, somewhere between low and below medium. I'll add about a 1/4 cup of the coconut milk. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Putting in almost a teaspoon of vanilla. And about a tablespoon of raw honey. And I'm going to cook this until the apples are soft. So they're nice and soft. And it smells wonderful. All, that cinnamon, the nutmeg, all of those spices, it smells wonderful. So I've got my brioche bread that is soaked in the coconut milk. And so now I want to mash up those apples, almost into chunky applesauce. I like this smasher because it's solid right there. Whereas the potato masher, some of the small pieces of apple, baked apple, would just go in between. But I like to get it good. Brioche pieces in a baking dish, and I've greased the baking dish. Spread it all out. I'll add my baked apples. Actually, I'm going to get a smaller dish. Transfer it to a smaller dish. Sorry about that. I thought this dish would be ample, but it's a little too big for me. So I've got a smaller one, and I'll put it in there. I will add about a 1/3 cup of raisins, and I'll mix that in. Sprinkle a little cinnamon on top, and I'm gonna bake this in the oven for about 45 minutes or so. And we're ready to eat. So I'm going to taste it, dip it up in my bowl, and I'll see if I need to add any more sweeteners or if I need to add any more spices or anything like that. I can shake it on the top. It's good. Apples are economical, they're good for you, so this is one way we can use those apples. And along with that brioche bread, now you are welcome to put any whipped topping or cream, drizzle over the top, or just some non-dairy milk, drizzle over the top, but you may not need to do anything. Well, I know I have a sweet tooth, and usually I'm gonna have to add a little bit more sweetener, but we'll see. It's hot, and I'm usually not good at eating things real hot. And this is good. But anyway, this is good. Bread pudding. Try it. It's old school, but treat your family to a hot dessert. Some bread pudding with raisins and fresh apples in it. It's good. It's really good. Well, I'm Das. I'm out, but I look forward to seeing you next show.